Hello everyone, welcome to Study Automation. In this tutorial, we will see how we can perform lambda expression sum functionality. So suppose if we have some requirement where we just wanted to sum all the employees' salary and wanted to get the total salary that we are paying for all the employees. Or let's say if you have some requirement where just you want to calculate the total products that you have. So how we will apply those things through Java 8. So let's see how we can do that. Here we have employees, so I'll write here employees dot stream. We have to add a stream feature dot, and if you have something, for example, if you just want to add all the employees salary, then you have to write here map to. So right now we have in this employee we have double, so we can use map to double, and then inside this double you have to pass one predicate p and then write here p dot get salary. Now you have to just do this. It will map all the salary to double, and then what we have to do, we have to simply perform sum. So it will return double data, so I'll say double d equal to this, and then after that we can simply print this int double or whatever thing we have, we can just print, and you will get output as sum of all employees salary equal to plus d. So sum of all employee salary is 19,000. You can see 5 plus 4 plus 3 plus 7, so total we get 19,000. So we have map to int, map to double, and these things we can apply. So you can apply these things while filtering and all, right? You just want to check the total employee salary who is living only in Delhi, right? Let's say if you want uh, to get the salary details based on the um, address, so you want to get all the employees salary, right, who is living in Delhi or maybe Delhi branch. So in this case we should get output as 5,000 and plus 7,000, that means 12,000. So if I want to do that, then what I'll do, I will simply write here map.stream and dot filter, and in this filter what we will do, we can pass predicate p dot map.stream dot filter, all right, t dot get employee address. You can use any predicate name dot, and I'll say here equals or equals ignore case Delhi, right? So DELH Delhi, and then dot map to dot sum, and then we can print here. So sum of all employee from Delhi's salary, right? So in this case we will get only Delhi's salary, so 5,000 plus 7,000, 12,000. So you can apply filter, you can do all the operations, and then after that you can just write map to double or map to int, and then you will get sum of all that particular object or particular field. So you can apply sum in that way in our lambda expression. Thank you so much for watching the video.